So guys, this is how the cheap eBay helicopter flies without the wings. Again, see they're clipped off. It was just a theory I decided to test because, again, the issue with this helicopter is that it keeps spinning around. So this is how it flies now, and to my surprise and to yours, it actually flies pretty good without the extra wings. See, there you go. I've already went ahead and trimmed the helicopter. You know, it flies pretty good to me, just like the other 3-channel helicopter. And again, you know, this helicopter came in as 4 channels. Oops. And I was having so much problem to get it just to take off, but it kept spinning around. But this fixed the problem pretty much. I just had to cut those wings off. Let me give it a little right trim. Okay, a little bit to the left. So there you have it. Forward movement is good. It actually goes pretty fast. Let me calm down. Backward movement, not so fast though. I'm still struggling with the backwards here. But look here, even some low altitude flight handles pretty well. I'm gonna bring it back, and everything is very functional. You know, the lights are functional. The basic 3-channel, which is your forward, backward, left, right, all that is functional. Sorry about that. So yeah, I'm happy with the helicopter now. At least I can fly it compared to before, where I had to just struggle. I couldn't even get it off the ground. So I'm happy with it. Only cost 15 bucks. And all it took was just to clip those wings off. Let me bring it up to my level here. Look at that. I mean, again, I think it's a great design. Oops, come back down. It's a great design, but the thing with this helicopter is they use a lot of cheap parts. But in terms of the design and the way it was constructed, you know, it's a pretty dope design. So there you have it. My cheap 4-channel Avatar helicopter turned to 3-channel, and I am happy with the results. It's called the Invader, by the way. It says it right there, the Invader. Let's bring it back down. I mean, I could fly this thing all day. Calm down. Oops. Very nice. Let's see if we can land it. Gonna land on my hands. So there you have it, guys. The Invader 4-channel helicopter, officially now 3-channel helicopter. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And leave your comments. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.